the carriage away. Remove the front suction pump. Unscrew the screws of the suction pump. That needs to be replaced. Take out the suction pump. Unplug the signal cable. Take a photo to record the ink tube connection status. Disconnect the ink tube connectors. Prepare the new suction pump. Refer to the recorded photo and reconnect the ink tubes. Plug in the signal cable. Insert the suction pump into the corresponding slot. Adjust its position and secure it with screws. Reinstall the front suction pump.